Alright, what's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna do a video before I go in. I was watching a video today, I think it was Susie. Girl, we're behind you. I know what it's like. I want to send you a book, so please, you can't send me an address. I don't remember her last name, but I wrote a message. Anyway, let's not talk about MS chart today. Let's talk about us. We are people that overthink. We like to think the negative. We like to go to that spot because it's easier. Nothing about what we do is easy. All right, everything you do is takes work. Like, think about walking for a minute. If you actually look up medical stuff on walking, how many muscles in your sight, in your ears, and everything it takes just to walk. All right, it takes so much. It's so much harder than it looks, but it's so mundane. It's so natural that we don't think about it. So I'm telling you guys, be more proud of all the stuff that you do. All right, because everything you do is going to be strong. It's going to be tough. You are tougher than you imagine. See, but we're so quick to throw that out instead of something we think is tough that goes along. So our worst enemy is our brain. All right, because everything you do is extremely difficult. Everything. But when you start to break down, when you just slow down and put things into context, and see why they're what they are, why what's going on, what happened, what it takes to walk, what it takes to move your hands, and all the muscles it takes, and you start to understand things are difficult. But when you focus on just the difficulty, you focus on that, you forget all the winning you're doing. All right, I can focus on the fact that I feel like I walk a Quasimodo, or that I feel like a moron when I talk, but I'm not going to sit there and let that discourage me from being me. I'm Ray. That's who I am. I'm not some, I don't believe I'm better than anybody, and I don't believe I'm lower than anybody. I put up a post the other day that says, I can talk with the best of them. You put me near scholars, and I can talk with you. But if you put me in the ghetto, I can talk there too. Because, that's just, street smarts. It's common sense. So, come on, guys. You're tougher than what you could think. Don't let your brain tell you that you're don't let your brain focus in on one thing that happened that was bad, and then you focus on that bad thing and not all the good things that's going on around you. Because if you focus on one bad thing, it's going to cascade. One thing happens, then next thing you focus on the next bad thing. Next thing you're short of a whole bunch of bad things, and you think you're bad. You're not. You're great because you survived and you have the choice. And you can rethink and do things better. So, just remember that, guys. You guys are better than what you imagine. Don't let your brain stop you. Tougher than what you're thinking you are. MS is nothing when you put it in context. Because you're alive to make the choice to do something more. It's only stop. It's a speed bump. It stops you. But you can get over it. You go around it. Go under it. Go whatever. Just do it. I mean, I know you can say just do it and it's easier or whatever. Just try. That's the best thing. Is try. That's what you got to do. Is just try to. When you try, you start to see that you can do, and then when you do, you can do more things. Then you try more things. You break down those barriers of fear that MS puts up. Because, like I said before, MS and fear go hand in hand. Once you learn to conquer the fear, and you're trying more things. When you try, that's fear's worst enemy, is trying. Because fear doesn't want you to try. Because once you try, you find out you can do. When you do more. Get it? It cascades the other way. So do it like that. Think about it, folks. Common sense. All right. If somebody says you can't teach common sense, here's an idea. Ask somebody. Tell somebody, would you put your hand on fire? No, why? Because it's hot. That's common sense. You just taught them. Common sense. All right, well, there you go. Take it easy, buddy.